Do you want to speak English but you forget words? Do you feel scared? The reason is simple. You are not practicing daily. But don't worry. Today I will tell you how to practice English for just 15 minutes a day. And you are going to learn a lot and you will see progress in your English. Okay, just 15 minutes and you will improve. Okay. Many people study grammar for years. They watch English movies, but still they cannot speak. Why? Because English is not for studying, my dear friends. English is for speaking. Okay, if you do not speak daily, your mouth will not open. Your brain will forget words. This is the biggest problem. Okay, so guys, you have to speak. Don't study, speak. Okay, this is the solution. So guys, I am Shalini and welcome back to my channel. And you all know I help people speak English with confidence and without any hesitation. So today our topic is how to do daily practice in English. I will give you a simple plan. Okay, you need no teacher, you need no money, you need only 15 minutes and your phone. Okay, so in the next part of the video I will give you 3 steps, and yeah, anyone can do these steps and it is zero of cost. Okay, so if you follow this for 30 days, at least 30 days, you will see change. Your fear will go, your words will come fast. Okay, so take a notebook now and tell me in the comments, will you start today? And yeah, say yes and let's start. Okay, so first, listen, my dear friends. It is very simple. It is very simple and very easy. First, tell positive words to your mind before starting. Listen, daily practice is the most important thing for learning English. Okay, you do not need 2 hours or 5 hours or 10 hours. You need only 15 minutes every day. And yeah, here is a simple 3-step plan. Step 1 is listen and repeat. Just open YouTube, search English for beginners, play any 2-minute video and listen to one sentence. Pause the video, now repeat the sentence 3 times. Speak loud, speak loud. Do this for 5 minutes and you are good to go. Step 2, talk to mirror. Stand in front of a mirror for 5 minutes, talk about your day. Use simple sentence. Don't need to use hard words. Just use simple sentence. And like simple sentence like, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I drank tea, I am happy, I'm enjoying my day. So do not think about grammar, just speak. If you forget a word, just use your own language, then continue in English. Okay, and step 3 is write 3 lines. Before sleeping, take a notebook, write 3 lines about your day in English. Like, for example, today was good, I learned new words, I will practice tomorrow also, and now I am going to sleep, and this type of sentence. You know, you know, uh, this helps your brain remember. Do these 3 steps every day for 30 days and do not miss any day. On Sunday you can record your voice and listen and you will hear your own progress. Okay, so remember, small practice daily is better than big practice once a week. So start today, speak daily and you will win. You will win, my dear friends. Okay, so this is the solution of your problem, because my viewers were asking that, ma'am, how to do daily practice. I am busy, I don't have time. So if you don't have time, at least 15 minutes you can make for yourself for English if you want to improve your English. Okay, so this is all you have to do, my dear friends, and I hope now you understand. So yeah, this is all about, and I just want to keep it short and simple. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for joining, thank you so much for your love and support, and please join and support my channel, my dear friends, and I will see you in the next. Bye bye.